Hey guys, welcome back. It is another freaking weekend, and you know we're gonna do a quick, easy snack, lunch, cook with me instruction video. You know how I get down. Semi-homemade, semi-store-bought, all with love. So today we're gonna make mozzarella pizza balls. I don't know what's going on with this shadow. Bam! Mozzarella pizza balls. They're going to be good, delicious, yummy. What is yummy? Good, delicious, and yummy. So it doesn't take that many items. I want to say it takes about 10 to 15 minutes all together, start from finish. And I mean, once you get to eating these, you're going to be like, give me more. Can I have some more? Give me more, please. One thing I want to tell you, it's the freaking weekend. And I have to tell you, this recipe is for people that just ain't into it. You're not into cooking, you're not into it. And right here I'm gonna show you the picture of the finale of it. So if you follow me in the kitchen, you can get to it too. Come on. Alright guys, you're gonna follow me in the kitchen, so here we go. Preheat your oven to 350. 350, please preheat your oven. I'm going to do the rundown like I always do because it's semi-homemade, semi-store-bought, all with love. So today, get your pepperonis. If you like beef, turkey, get them. You're going to need some pizza sauce. I got this. You're going to need some biscuits. I don't care what kind of biscuits you get. You're going to need somebody's biscuits or your mama's biscuits. Don't matter. And your type of cheese. Sharp cheddar, Colby Jack. Doesn't matter. And it has to be frozen hard. So we don't want it loose in the oven. First thing you're going to do, bust this can open. I think you need to take a little knife, poke a hole or something in it. Release the air. Bam. Bust them wide open. Now what you're going to do is take your biscuit. Now it comes with 8, but guess what? One going to make 2 of them. Look how fluffy that is. So you're going to take your biscuit and you're just going to go down the middle or half it like a sandwich. Just like so. Cut that biscuit open. So we're going to go ahead and follow these instructions. Alright, our biscuits half. Next thing you want to do is open up your cheese. So any type of cheese that you like, you just want to open it up and you want to cube it. So get you a nice slice of cheese and you want to give it some cubes. So we're going to need 8 cubes. So maybe half of this pack of cheese for real. I want really cheesy. So let me see. That's half right there. Alright. Next thing you need to do, open up them pepperonis. I think I'm gonna put me a decent amount of pepperonis on here. Maybe 2 to 2. 2 touch of 2. Alright, so just cover up the cheese with pepperoni. Really doesn't matter. I decided I wanted 4 pepperonis, 2. Cover it up. That works out for me. Next thing you want to do, you just want to spread the biscuit and you just want to cover it up. Maybe 1 pepperoni. I'm being greedy. Okay, 1 pepperoni. Shoot. And make sure you cover it up really good. So you just want to, because if you don't, then the cheese is going to ooze out of here. And that's not what we want to do. Okay, got it going on. So that's that little piece. I'm going to pinch a little bit off somewhere. Bam. You got it going on. Alright. I'm going to get a little roll because I want it really nice and perfect. Now, before we get the rolling all these, I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to use to put them in. This is just like a miniature cupcake holder, and pretty much I want to use that. And I'm also going to go ahead and use some of this Italian seasoning because, you know, some pieces be having Italian seasoning. So, I mean, why not? just like so. So 1 full biscuit makes 2 balls, okay? 2 balls, 2 rows, whatever you want to do to it. Then you want to just give it a little Italian season or whatever you choose to do, okay? You want to take your cheese like we showed earlier, cubed it up, and I'm going to use 2 pepperonis because I love pepperoni. So I got 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. Let's make a sandwich. I'm going to put my sandwich in between my biscuits, but before I do that, I just want to stretch it out just a little bit. You don't want to stretch it out too much, but you want to stretch it out just a little bit more than the size, because you want to fold and pinch so you can make a semi kind of what ball. So here we go with the sandwich. Put it in the middle. You want to pull, pinch, pull, pinch, pull, pinch. You don't want to pinch a lot, but you want to pinch enough that you are able to meet in the middle. Meet in the middle, and that is covering up your pepperoni and cheese. You don't want any holes or anything in them, okay? So when you get done pulling and pinching, it should look like that in the middle. And you just want to take your hands, clean washed hands, and you want to roll it. Alright, so I have a little my Italian seasoning in the middle. You can see. I'm just going to stretch it out a little bit. And I'm going to sit it in the middle. I'm going to show you one more time because I can't tell you no more. Pull and pinch. Pull and pinch. You want to cover up your pepperoni and cheese so that all the goodness stays inside. Once again, you got your oven set to 350 and it has been preheating. Once it has preheated, it's going to ding, buzz. And remember I told you I was going to use that pan to put them in. And we're just going to sprinkle a little bit more loving on top. Just a little bit more. Put them in the oven. This is probably going to take about 6 to 7 minutes. Sit at golden brown, just like regular biscuits. And then when I come back, we're going to dip it in our pizza sauce and watch us a little Netflix. Because, I mean, that's what else you got to do on a Saturday afternoon when it's raining outside? Nothing. Alright guys, so we're back. I'm telling you, it only took about 6 minutes to actually cook this. 6 minutes. That's easy. That's a nice little afternoon snack for the fam. Kids can help make it. Easy, easy, easy. So this one, I'm just showing you what it looks like up close and personal. So you remember we put the Italian season in there and we cooked it and rolled them up. And I put them in my little muffin pan. But if you just roll them and sit them on some parchment paper in the oven, it's going to cook as a ball. But I wanted like a little handle so you can just grab and dip and go. Now, I told you get some pizza sauce, doesn't matter. But to amp up the pizza sauce, you're going to add some Italian seasoning and some garlic powder. Not garlic salt, garlic powder. Put it in the microwave and then you got you some dipping sauce. And I just want to break this open to show y'all what it looks like inside. Look at that cheese. Look at the pull. It's steaming. I don't know if you can see if it's steaming or not, but it's steaming. So I'm going to go ahead and dip this in my amped up pizza sauce. Yeah. This is good, y'all. Really, really good. So if you're looking for like a afternoon snack for your family and kids, or once again you're trying to snatch that man or woman, and you know the way to somebody's heart is their stomach, you know, follow me. I got your back, okay? Get your notebooks, your pens and papers out. This one's simple. This is easy. This is like a step to this building goodness, okay? So until next time, follow me. Look at the rest of my recipes on here. And tell me what you think. If you're going to add something, tell me if you add it. Tell me if you like it. I mean, tell me what you're doing with yourself. Tell me what you're doing with yourself. Because if you're not eating with me. I don't know who you're eating with.